Here we got the Panzer Arms BPA 12 gauge shotgun with the Crimson Trace red dot.
I was born in the Southland 20 some odd years ago. I ran away.
Next up, we got the Century Arms Visca Draco rifle in distressed white, 7.62 by 39 millimeter.
I'm a free-born man.
Here we have the Nighthawk Custom Agent 2 Commander 45 ACP pistol.
I know every inch of highway, every foot of back road, every mile of railroad track.
Next up, we have the Beretta 92 XI Gara 9mm Luger pistol with a 5.1-inch threaded barrel, 22+1.
I always love the girl.
Last but not least, we have the Garrison Witness 2311 CMXX 9mm pistol with a standard double stack magazine, 4.25-inch bull barrel.
My home is on my back.
We got so many new guns at the shop, you just need to come on down and take a look. Don't forget to like and subscribe below. Leave a comment if you can. Thank you for your attention.